came into direct selling industry, your uplines gave you training, you felt very good, you got a very good experience, you started sharing your experience with your friends, and they became your business partner in the process. You started earning your check, you shared your income, you were excited. Oh, I got a check. I still remember my college days when I got a check. I was so excited because it was my first income. When you get your first income, you get excited, you share. When you get your bike, you get excited, you share. When you get your car, you get excited, you share. And I feel very proud. There are many young achievers in Team SOL who have gifted them a car at such a age where people are dreaming about getting a job, and I've seen Team SOL leaders gifting them wonderful cars. And I've been hearing out statements from many leaders that I am 20 and I'm driving I-20. I've been hearing out these kind of statements. Yes, we know we have to convert into other statement, right? We are going to, Team SOL is going to set very new benchmark for this industry so that it can open and inspire mind of many other people. So I will say this business is not about selling. This business is about sharing your reviews, sharing your testimonial, sharing your excitement, sharing your energy, sharing your income, sharing your growth. It's all about sharing. And what I have been doing from last 10 years is not sales. What I have been doing from last 10 years is sharing. And even today in this meeting, I am sharing my journey. I am sharing my journey. So and we have been already doing sharing from live. We were sharing things. We were sharing information about a book. We were sharing information about a movie. We were sharing information about good products. But we have got an opportunity that in the process of sharing, we can change our life and we can change many lives. So what was the first point of system? Be 100% product user, right? Because when you use your product, you get belief. You don't need to sell. You share because you have got belief by using it. The second point is read books, listen to tapes, and watch videos. I never recommend you to watch motivational speakers. I never recommend you to watch motivational speakers. I recommend you to listen to people who have gained some tremendous success in their life, because motivational speakers play the game of words. Listen to the people who have won the game of life, right? Listen to good entrepreneurs, listen to good actors, celebrities who have attained success in their life. Read books, because when you read books, you understand that I'm not only mad person who is into this business. There have been already many mad people like me who came into this industry, who tried something different in their life and they are super successful. So you get an inspiration. We have been inspired for getting a job many times from our childhood. Now it's time we need to get inspired from someone to do big in life. And everybody get inspired from someone or some incident. So make sure, build up such environment around you through books, through videos and through tapes. So those books, through videos, and tapes should not inspire you to spend your time in Insta, Facebook and PUBG. Make such an environment around you, because it's your life and it's your responsibility. Make such an environment around you so that they should inspire you to do something big in your life, to come out of mediocrity. And that happens when you follow the point number 2. Point number 3. What is the point number 3? Never miss any function. Never miss any meeting. You miss a meeting, and you don't know what you have missed. You don't know what you have. There were many times when I was down. There was many times where I was feeling low. There was many times where my excitement was going down. There were many times where I needed a kind of counseling. And those are places where meeting played a very important role. That place where meeting played a very important role. And sticking to the meeting till the last, because you don't know, maybe the last statement of the meeting can be the statement which can transform your life. The last statement of the meeting can be the statement which can change your life. So sticking to the meeting, and not only present in the meeting just physically, but being present in the meeting mentally, right? Third point, that is following, that is never miss any function. And the fourth is do regular activity. Because if you are not doing activity, right? If you are not doing activity, it's like you are gathering the information, but it's not getting implemented. Activity. And the fifth is be in regular counseling of your uplines, right? Be in regular counseling with your uplines, right? When you follow these 5-point system, you know what happened? You get connected with this business in a process, right? You join this business, it's an event. You join this business, it's an event, but getting connected with this business, it's a process. Getting connected with this business is a process which happened when you follow the system. So I started this, I followed the system in my initial days, and in the process, I got connected, and later on, I got committed for this business. And as I got committed, I will come to my second point. I realized that to start this business, I don't need any ability, but to grow in this business, I need to develop my ability. So I was always showing learning attitude. I was always showing learning attitude. As I was talking to my uplines also in the morning time, they said me, some people in school days, they get an exposure, they develop their communication, they develop how to speak with people, and they develop those things, right? But some people, they need to follow the system in order to develop ability. So the first is connecting with the system, right? And then getting committed for the system, and you will automatically develop ability when you are following the system, but you need to carry learning attitude. Sometimes people keep ego, they keep relationship issues, they are not opening up their mind, they are not ready to learn, right? Some of the time, maybe the person who is teaching them is his close friend, but they are not taking him seriously, right? And that's where it creates an hindrance in them. Truly speaking, when I was new, I was just doing Control plus C, Control plus X, and Control plus V. This was what I was doing. I was using cut, copy, paste my applying, and later on I started applying my common sense also. So second point is, first is follow the system, and in the process develop your ability. Now third point is value your resources. Some of the time I've seen many people, they don't make their guest list in a proper way. They don't make their consumer list in a proper way. I hear many people saying, oh, sir, my guest list is over, because they have never created their guest list. जो चीज बनी नहीं, वो खत्म कैसे हो सकती है? You have not made your guest list in a proper way. So how it can get over? Because our guest list can never get over, because every day we are getting connected with new people, either through social media, and if I go out of time of COVID-19, maybe personally, and everybody who is outside maybe need us as a business partner, or he need us to solve his health problem by giving him a good product, right? So what I need to do, value your resources. One more point I need to add for the people who have at least spent 1 year into this industry. Sometimes some situations comes when you are lacking resources. There was a time in my journey also where I was lacking resources, some resources, and I have to develop team from, after some time, I was developing a team from zero. You need to keep patience at that moment. Some of the time, if you don't have resource, you need to keep patience. I've seen many people, when God take their test of patience, they don't show it. In spite of having big reasons in their life, in spite of having ability, when God is testing their patience, they don't persist. Every successful person once had a time where he has to show patience and persistence, right? I was seeing, there was a journey in my time where I was seeing my dear friends who were a part of other organizations, they were growing. I was seeing many people around me were growing. I was not becoming jealous of them. I was taking an inspiration from them that today they are growing, tomorrow I will grow. And today, and what happened? In the coming journey, in the guidance of Team SOL, we were able to build up an organization, not in one city, not in one state. We were able to build organization in every nook and corner of the country. And I say very proud that in working in the guidance of Team SOL, we were able to build an organization from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Mumbai to Manipur. And remember, I am saying this statement with full energy and with full commitment that we are not hunters, we are farmers. We are not hunter. I have seen today in direct selling business, many people have become hunter. Ting, 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 ting. Sir, will you come with me? We are not hunter, we are farmer. We have been cultivating successful examples from a longer period of time. So there may come time when you have to show patience, right? And where you have to show the patience, where you have to show up the never give up attitude.